I don't know when they started doing that. I don't think it's always been that way. Okay.
You coming?
No, I'm gonna stay here.
Okay.
What happened?
What is it?
It's flowers. They dance. They just go up and down. Again?
I was at this dentist's office. They had a clipboard and like, here's how many pins or she goes, oh yeah, right here. So she reaches into like a little vase like that, and it was all, they all had like stem, whatever kind of flowers those are, like taped to them, you know. So it looked like there's just like a bunch of fake flowers. All of a sudden, it pulls out. It's like, oh, here's one. It's got this huge flower like off of it. Like, all right. So I'm sitting tight.